Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean uh, brass so it looks like from the horse on the right that is not polished yet to the horse on the left, which is polished and looks clean. You see the difference? See that? It's very easy, simple, and stuff that you have around the house. Let me show you how. First, let me remove these out of the way. And to protect my granite, I'm going to put a towel here to work on it. You get a plate and you put the ingredients. A quarter cup of vinegar, one tablespoon of salt, any salt that you have. I'm using this. And then you put flour. I'm going to put one by one till I mix it, and then I make a paste. Let me get it closer so you can see. So I want to form a paste. That is not good yet. I'll get some more flours. As much as it needs. There is no ingredients here. You just do it till you get a paste like this. Okay? Now we got the paste. Looks good. I can use some more flour. Very little. So it'll be harder. Okay. Now I can use it. Now I'll take the horse that is not clean and put that here and start working on it. After I did this, mix it very well. You see? It's a baste. And then I apply it here on the horse. The best way I do it was my hands, so. Get closer, and then you see me doing this. And then you will see the results right away. You're supposed to leave this like 5-10 minutes on the horse, but if you work while you just keep rubbing while you're doing that, you'll see the results right away. See how black and dirty that is? So you just apply the paste. Right. Keep doing that. Turn it around to the other side also. Don't leave any part of it is not done, because it's going to show. Okay, even in the back here, I have like some words written on it, and I just wanted to get it out. I couldn't get it out with soap and water, so I'm just going to put a big coat on it and leave it for a couple of minutes. And and then do the other side. Now I can start rubbing on it like this to make it clean and quick, or just leave it for like 5-10 minutes and then do the rubbing to make sure that everything is clean thoroughly everywhere. You see how that goes? Very nice and easy. This way you'll never scratch any of the surface. The surface will be clean, but it's not scratched. I'm just trying to clean all the surfaces everywhere, the hands, the legs, the stomach, the face, everywhere. Do you see start looking shiny and bright? All I'm doing is just rubbing the surface so it looks nice and clean. As I said, I can leave it for like 5-10 minutes, or I just can go ahead and do that. You see that, how it start looking shiny and beautiful. It is brass, but it looks like it's golden brass. Beautiful golden brass. And the bottom also, I'll do that. The sides, everywhere. Don't leave any part that you don't do. See, the magic marker was here. It's disappeared now and it's gone. And I didn't scratch the surface because I was doing that very gently. That is the bottom of the horse here. The base, nice and clean. The tail, clean the tail, clean everywhere. You want it to look nice and shiny and beautiful. I could have brought a brush and did it with a brush, but I don't want to scratch the surface. So I'm just going to do it very gently, like that. I don't want to bore you with that, but this is the details that you're looking for. See? I start looking a little bit red and it looks, oh, we ruined the horse or we ruined it and stuff. But no, that is cleaning. And after that we're going to be look like it's gold. And of course it's not gold, it is brass, but that's what the look we're looking for. Beautiful. After we finish this, we're gonna rinse it, dry it, and you'll be surprised with the results. Be very happy with it too. Just keep rubbing so I clean it well. Did you see the results already? I can see it turned from really tarnished, ugly looking to very clean and shiny. Yeah, don't forget to do the bottom. You know, it's taking a long time. I could have left it, but I like to just to get engaged with everything that's going on and make sure that it's clean. Yeah. Now I'm going to take it to the sink to clean it. Let me leave it for a minute and then come back, take it. Okay. Just wash my hands here. Now I'm going to take the horse to the sink. And wash it in the sink. You see how shiny that is? Wow, that's beautiful. You see that area before it has the markers, but we couldn't take it out. Let's clean that. Now let's see the other side. If this is stayed like that, I can redo it again to clean this area. I just wanted to finish the video quickly to show you the results. And make sure that you take every paste out and clean it thoroughly. See how beautiful, gorgeous that is. Just let the water clean that part because it has like squares down there that filled with the paste. Clean that. Now we have beautiful, shiny, beautiful horse. As you see. Now we're gonna dry it. Take it again. Sorry about the video, I'm the only one doing everything here. But we're gonna start drying the horse. Here you go. The result is amazing. Thanks for watching.